kilogram as the unit of mass, and its realization in the material embodiment is even today still influenced by the requirements of trade and commerce. In physics today, other units of mass based on the atomic constants, such as the atomic unit of mass or the electron volt, are now used to form a stronger link between research and everyday life, and also to be able to maintain the constancy of the unit of mass in the future. Today, we are being sought to base the kilogram on the physical constant. Yes, you can see the picture. The picture is very interesting. The picture is from the Book of the Dead in Egypt. I believe some people have read this book. The final and the most important stage in the journey of the dead was the trial in the Hall of the Judgment. The balance in the picture is used to compare the weight between the dead person's heart and the feather of the truth. You can see this balance. Yes, this part is the heart, this is the feather of truth. The dead person's heart is on the left wing pan. The feather of truth is on the right wing pan. If their heart proved too heavy, they would come dead and eaten by the monstrous devil. If their heart balanced on the scales, the dead person will be allowed to enter and to remain forever in the perfect world. From this book, it can also be seen that the weighing and the mass has been used by people for a long time. Since antiquity, a great variety of very different mass standards, each for an intended purpose, has been discovered. Probably the oldest band of measuring implements and weights was made in Egypt and in Middle East. The Babylonians had a state supervisor system of metrology which had its beginnings with the Sumerians or even older cultures. Besides weights, bearing the mark of the rule to attest to their correctness, measures of length chilled into status have also been formed. The standard measures were deposited in temples in the safekeeping of places. In Babylon, as later in Egypt, a large and a small unit of mass were in use. The large weight, the Romia, were about approximately 1,010 grams. That is almost 1 kg. The small one was half as heavy, weighing about 505 grams, and it was his weight upon which the treat was based. The heavy mean serving as a measuring of fixed thesis or tributes. The basic unit of weight of later states also frequently lay in the region of 1 kg or 500 grams. Together with the length and the time, mass was probably one of the first physical quantities that men attempted to measure. For the purpose of the classical mechanics, the modern term mass is not yet 300 years old. Before this, the term weight was used, as indeed it still is called quantities. In early times,